Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Peaches and Petals. If you're not familiar with this subscription, where you been at, girl? So this is a monthly women's lifestyle box. It's only $19.99, so for the price, it is untouchable, basically. The selections are often quirky, their themes are fun, they're always useful though, and they're just like super cute. So this is the July box. I don't know the theme for this one. Here's what it looks like when you first open it up. This is just what it looks like. It says, "Hello, July. July is all about freedom. Sometimes freedom is just a clocking out after a long day or enjoying a quiet day alone with nothing but a good cup of coffee and a good book by your side. Freedom also means a lot more to us, and we are thankful for it every day. We hope everyone enjoyed celebrating our nation's independence and had a happy 4th of July from Peaches and Petals." So there's that. Let's get in here and see what it's all about. So, ooh, so cute. So this is from Cobble Creek. This is a stacking jar measuring cup set of 4. So there's what it looks like. Let's open it up and take a peek. My cat is not in the room today. Like, she's outside the door right now crying. She, like, wants to be in here. No, it broke. That's a bummer. Such a bummer. Oh, no. Yeah, so that one broke, that one stacking part there. That's such a stinker. So there's that. All right, next we have Asheli, which they had something from them in our last month's box. Caribbean Passion Peeling Soap, Exfoliating Beauty Cream Cleanser. I don't know how to use that. Enjoy the luxurious spa experience of a professional facial at home with Caribbean Passion Peeling Soap, an exfoliating beauty cream cleanser enriched with elements taken from natural fruit and plants flourishing on exotic Caribbean islands. Gently washes away dead skin cells and impurities with moisturizing coconut oil, chamomile flower extract, olive fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, and other skin-enhancing ingredients while having your skin glowing, supple, and youthfully radiant. To use, apply a handful of peeling soap to damp skin, massage into skin in circular motions, rinse thoroughly. So it's basically a nice exfoliant. And let's see what they use for their... They do use walnut shell powder. And then it's a lot of all-natural elements in that. So let's smell it. It smells like... Ooh, it smells like Tang or like Sunny Delight or something. It's got like a citrus smell, so that's nice. All right, next we have a pair of shades, baby. Oh, these are super cute. So these are from Beach Blast. They do have their like original price tag, which is $13.99 right there. They have like little anchors. Aren't they cute? Aren't they super cute? I wish I had those when I went to the beach. I like them. They're nice. All right, moving along. We've got some beauty wipes. So these are from Pure Derm Skin Solutions. This is Tea Tree Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. If you're familiar with tea tree oil, it does dry out acne. So if you have oily skin, these are probably great for you. I love tea tree oil myself, and I even have dry skin. But I do use it like a spot. I don't use it all over my face because it can be a little dry. But that's nice. I've never used a facial wipe that had tea tree in it. All right, finally, down to our last item. Classic Coloring, Alice in Wonderland, 55 removable coloring pages. So this has a very like whimsical look to it. So each page, let me look here. The Mad Hatter, so here's like the Mad Hatter. And then on his page, it says, "It was at the great concert given by the Queen of Hearts, and I had to sing, 'Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder what you're at.' You know the song, perhaps. I've heard something like it," said Alice. "It goes on, you know," the Hatter continued, "in this way. Up above the world you fly, like a tea tray in the sky." So each page has like something from the book on the back. I think it's from the book. I've never actually read Alice in Wonderland, unfortunately. But the pictures are really cute. This is great, like, to write a note on, because if you see the back, there's these big empty spaces. You can color it in and give somebody a note or keep it for yourself. You're nothing but a pack of cards. Okay, so that's super cute. That's everything that I received in my Peaches and Petals for July. This is a great mix. I'm kind of bummed that the thing broke. Things happen though. So I'll link below to my full review, and I'll also link to Peaches and Petals with my affiliate link if you're interested in that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.